Hello, welcome to the course. I'm going to show you the layout of the course and orient you to the course. All right, so this is the course homepage, and we will be using mostly the links on contents, discussion, and the quizzes. You can check your grades there. Okay, here is a brief syllabus, but for a more detailed syllabus, go to contents. Okay. So under contents, so here under general documents, you'll find a more detailed course syllabus and a course schedule. We'll go over these documents briefly. In this course, we are covering 12 chapters from your book. And here are chapter notes. These are copies of my PowerPoint slides for the chapters. And so here are the chapter notes. Okay. I've also posted lecture recordings of these 12 chapters that we covered. Okay. So let me click on these chapter notes. Okay. So these are the chapters we'll be covering from your textbook. Okay. These are the topics we'll be covering. And let me show you one of these files. So the chapter 1, energy basics and global warming. Okay, so here are PDF copies of my PowerPoint slides. Read these documents carefully, these slides carefully. Each chapter you have a 50-point exam. Okay, each chapter there's a 25 question exam which is worth 50 points, and answers to all questions are in these slides. Okay, and the exams are open book and open notes, so if you read these slides carefully, you should be able to do well on the exams. Okay, what I want is for you to learn the stuff and not stress about the course. Okay, so again, let's go back to contents. Okay, so here are notes for the 12 chapters that we cover in this course. Okay, and also I have posted lecture recordings. So lecture recordings for these chapters on my YouTube channel. Okay, so my suggestion would be read the slides carefully, listen to the lecture and watch the lecture, and then you'll be ready to take the exams. Okay, so to do a chapter exam, go to the quizzes link, and here's the chapter 1 exam, chapter 1 energy exam. Okay, and here's the window that you have to take it by. So it's due by April 4th, so you have between March 18th and April 4th to take it. Yeah. The chapter 3 exam is also due on April 4th. Okay, so you can see all the due dates here. Okay, now all exams will be open March 18th. Okay, and these are the due dates: April 4th, April 11th, and so on. Okay, so if you want to work ahead, you can go ahead, and you are welcome to work ahead. Okay, all right, so so there are 12 exams, and only the 10 best scores count, so you get to drop your 2 lowest scores. Okay, all right, now let's go to the content area. Okay, let's go to general documents. Let's go over the course schedule. Okay, so here's the course schedule. Okay, again, this summarizes what is due. Okay, so again, this course goes from March 18th to May 9th. Okay, so in this window, these 2 chapters are due. What you have to do is you have to take the 2 chapter exams, and for this window you have to send me 1 concept email. Okay, what this concept email is, between these 2 chapters, write me a 4 to 5 line email explaining one of the concepts you enjoyed learning. Okay, so just 1 email between the 2 chapters. Okay, and I'll reply to the email, and depending on your interest, I'll give you additional feedback. Okay. You also have to make one discussion post. Okay. So for the entire course, you have to send me 6 emails and make 6 discussion posts, and that'll be 12 exams. Okay. Like I said again, exams are open book and open notes. Okay. So answers to all exam questions can be found in the summary slides. So read the summary slides carefully, watch the lecture, and you should be good to go for the exams. Okay. And again, my philosophy is I don't want you to stress about the course. I want you to learn the material. Okay. So this is the course schedule. Okay, let's go back to general documents and let's go over the syllabus. I'll briefly go over the syllabus. Okay. Again, here's my email address. There's my office number, and again, there's my office hours. If you're on the Daytona Beach campus, you're welcome to stop by. Here's a link to the textbook. Okay, and again, you really don't need the textbook. One of the problems with renewable energy textbooks is the data is all dated, because it's hard to the renewable energy field is moving too fast for any textbook to keep up with the data, the latest data. But if you like reading a textbook and want to learn concepts, you're welcome to buy this. So here's an Amazon link, and you can buy a copy for about $50. Okay. All right. And so let's see where the grading. Let's go over the grading. Okay. So we're looking at the evaluation. Okay. So chapter exams, emails, and discussion posts is where you're getting your grade from. Okay. So like I said, exams, each chapter you'll be taking a 25 question exam worth 50 points. There will be a total of 12 exams. Only your 10 best scores count, so you get to drop two of your lowest scores. Yeah. Chapter summary slides in the content area are an excellent review tool for the exams and contain answers to every question on the exams. Exams are open book and open notes. Email. Each week you'll send me a 4 to 5 line email explaining a concept you learned from the topics covered that week. Okay. Each email is worth 5 points. You need to send me a total of 6 emails during the course. Okay. I reply to every email and will give you feedback and or additional resources based on your interest. Okay. Discussion posts, we will go over. We will go there in a second. We'll visit that link in a second. I've posted several topics on the discussion board from each chapter. You will need to make a total of 6 posts during the course. So you just need to make 6 posts. You can post more than that if you want, but you get points for only 6 posts. I will monitor the discussion board, but only comment occasionally. Okay. So here's the grading. So your 10 best exams each worth 50 points. That's where you're earning 500 points from, up to 500 points. 6 chapter emails worth 5 points each, so you can earn 30 points from there. 6 discussion posts, 5 points each, that's 30 points. Now this score, the discussion score, I post at the end of the course. The email scores I update right immediately after I reply to your email. Okay. So you're working toward 560 points. Okay. Here's the standards grading scale. 90 to 100% is an A. Okay. So for instance, 504 and above is an A. So for an A, you need to get 504 points or more, and so on. Okay. So that's the syllabus. That's how grading works. Okay. So again, the general documents as syllabus and schedule. These chapter notes is summary slides. Here are lecture recordings, and here are some articles of interest. This is extra reading if you want, if the field interests you. These are not required and not graded. So here are some interesting articles um, of various topics. So okay, so if you want to, um, if this interests you, so you guys can read these articles. And here are some other useful links. Here's a TED Talk on renewables and so on. Here's my YouTube channel, but here's the relevant links. So lecture recordings, these are posted on my YouTube channel. Okay. All right. So let's visit the discussion board. Okay. So introduce yourself. Okay. And each this will show you when the topic is open. So here's the uh, here's the window for which the topic is open. Again, each chapter I post several topics. Okay, and this tells you when the topic will be open. Okay, so these dates tell you when the topics will be open. But you see there's uh, roughly about 30 topics posted. Okay, so you'll have plenty of opportunity, and all you have to do is post 6 messages. Okay, for your discussion grade. Okay, so post on topics that you enjoyed or have something to say. Okay, you don't have to post on every topic. All right, so again, let's go to the course homepage. I hope now you understand the layout of the course. We'll be mostly using the contents, quizzes, and discussion boards. Okay, and you can always check your grade here. Okay. So read this welcome message. Watch the 2 videos. This I'll be posting this navigating the course video here. Here's the link to the textbook, which is you can you don't necessarily have to buy the book, but if you want to read a book um, um, to learn more about the course topics, you're welcome to buy. Here you can buy this link is an Amazon link where you can buy it for $50. I also organize a seminar series, seminars on STEM fields. And here's an opportunity to earn extra credits. Okay, these talks are on Thursdays on the Daytona Beach campus from 5 to 6 p.m. Okay, in the Modorsky Theater. So talks are in the Modorsky Theater. And for you guys, so here are 4 talks left. Okay, if you go to any of these talks, each talk you attend, you earn 5 extra credit points. So you can potentially earn 20 points extra credit. Okay, there'll be a sign up sheet, and you sign in there, and I will give you the extra credits. Okay. All right. So I hope you understand the layout of the course. Again, welcome, and I hope you enjoy the course. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. Again, welcome, and um, and hopefully we'll see you at the seminars. Okay. All right.